A continuously running blower fan in your heating and cooling system is a warning sign you should not ignore. When the blower motor never stops, it drives up energy use immediately and steadily, so expect noticeably higher utility bills and wasted energy. The constant airflow also forces your air filter to capture more dust and particles, which causes it to clog much faster, reducing indoor air quality and increasing the risk of dust and allergens recirculating. Over time, the extra duty cycle stresses bearings, windings, and capacitors in the blower motor, which leads to premature failure and costly motor replacement. Continuous fan operation can also change how your system cycles, which undermines temperature and humidity control, leaving rooms either too cool or too humid and reducing overall comfort. A simple first step is to check your thermostat fan setting and switch it from fan on to fan automatic so the system controls the blower. If the setting is already automatic, inspect the thermostat for a stuck relay or wiring fault and replace the thermostat if it is older than about 10 years. If the thermostat is fine, turn off power and check the blower relay or the fan control board for visible burn marks or loose connectors, then call a technician if you are not comfortable performing electrical diagnostics. Keep a fresh filter regularly and document how long the fan runs before and after fixes so you can confirm the repair worked. The most common mistake is assuming the thermostat fan setting is the same as a system fault, which delays diagnosis. Switch to automatic and test the system to rule that out quickly. Another frequent issue is neglecting filter maintenance, which both hides symptoms and accelerates motor wear. Replace filters on the schedule recommended for your filter type or every 1 to 3 months for typical homes. Some homeowners skip electrical checks and let a failing relay or capacitor continue to run the blower, which leads to motor burnout. If you see humming, intermittent operation, or burning smells, turn the system off and get an electrical inspection. We built bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors for heating and cooling repairs and for contractors to find work, and we host a discussion community where members share real-world experiences and troubleshooting tips. We use our platform to connect people looking for practical help and to give contractors a place to showcase their services and respond directly to homeowner questions.